Hello friends, this video on statistics part 10 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched part 1 to part 9. Till now we have studied mean and mode of group data. Correct? We have studied all these three. So for mean we have three methods: direct method, step deviation method, and assume mean method. And for mode we have only one method, and all this way for group data. Now we'll study median of group data actually. But before we start the median of group data, let me solve a question using median of ungrouped data, so as you will get the understanding of how to find median of ungrouped data, and then we'll proceed with median of group data. To start with, let me recapitulate what I have told earlier. Median is nothing but a measure of central tendency which gives the middlemost value. Correct? It will give the middlemost value in the given data set. For example, in this case we have number of students, marks obtained by students, 20 by 6 students, 29 by 28. Like this we have this data, and for this we have to find median. So to find median, the first thing we do is we arrange the data in ascending order. The smallest is 20, so we'll write 20 first. Then comes 25, so I'll write 25 next. Then comes 28, I suppose, yeah, this is 28. Then is 29, and then we have 33. Then I have 38, and then I have 42, and then I have 43. That is the first thing I did. I wrote data in ascending order, and let me write corresponding frequency. For 20 the frequency is 6, so this guy is 6. For 25 the frequency is 20, so this guy is 20. For 28 the frequency is 24, so this guy is 24. For 29 the frequency is 28. For 33 the frequency is 15. For 38 the frequency is 4. 42 the frequency is 2. And 43 the frequency is 1. So I wrote the frequency. The first thing is, this is the ascending order, and then this is the frequency. The second thing is I have to write the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is something we add this frequency to previous frequency. There is no previous frequency, so this becomes 6. In this case it is 20 plus 6, so this becomes 26. In this case it is 26 plus 24, that becomes 50. Here it is 50 plus 28, that is 78. Here it is 78 plus 15, that is 93. Here it is 93 plus 4, 97. 97 plus 2, 99, and 99 plus 1, that is 100. So this is how I wrote the cumulative frequency. Second thing is, the number of observation is 100. Correct? Since the number of observation is 100, I have to take n by 2 and n by 2th plus 1. Right? N by 2th plus 1 observation. N by 2 is what? 50. So that is 50th, and n by 2 plus 1 is 50th, 51st observation. I have to take these values. What is the value of 50th observation? So if you see 50 till 50, it is in this range. So 50th observation is 28. So this guy is 28. 52nd or 51st will now lie in this bracket, because 51 to 78 is in this bracket. So 51st is 29. This value is 29. I have to take the mean of this. So therefore, median will be nothing but mean of 28 and 29. That becomes 28.5. And that is how we find the median. To find median, the first thing is we arrange the value in ascending order. We find the cumulative frequency. Then, if the number is even, then we take n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 observation. If the number is odd, we take n plus 1 by 2th observation only. Correct? In case it is odd. This thing we have learned in the early classes. In case it is even, we take n by 2 and n by 2 is plus 1 observation. We found those values, this value we found, and then we take the mean. If it is odd number, then we take n plus 1 by 2 observation. For example, 1, 2, 3, 3 numbers. For this I have to find median. The number of observation is odd, that is 3, so I'll take 3 plus 1 by 2, 2th, that is second value. Second value is 2. This will be my median. In case the value is something like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here if you see n is even, so I'll take n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1, that is 4 by 2 and 4 by 2 plus 1, that is second and third term. Second term is 2 and third term is 3. I'll take this value, find the mean, that is 2 plus 3 by 2, that is 2.5, and this will become my median. These things we have done in the earlier classes, just I want to revise things. If the understanding for median of ungrouped data is clear, we can proceed with the median of group data. Here also same the definition, let's repeat. Median is nothing but central tendency which gives the middlemost value of the observed data. Here the formula we are using is median is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. I'll explain what these terms are. L is the lower limit of the median class, N is the number of observations, CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, and F is the frequency of median class, and H is the class size. So these are the values. I'll solve one question to explain this. Just understand, learn this formula. The formula says median is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H, where L is the lower limit of the median class, N is the number of observations, CF is the cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class, F is the frequency of median class, and H is the class size. We'll take one example. The question says the following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. We have to find the median. So if you see this, it is a grouped data. Why? 85, 85, 105, 105. If you see this value 125, 125, that means it is a group data. Also, if you want to find the class length, 85 minus 65, 20. 105 minus 85, 20. 125 minus 105, 20. 145 minus 125, 20. 165 minus 145, 20. 185 minus 165, 20. 205 minus 105, 20. So 20 is the class. That means it is a group data. First thing is clear. Now I can use the funda. It is already arranged in ascending order. The first thing is to arrange in ascending order. It is already arranged in the ascending order. So let me write in this fashion. The same thing I wrote in this fashion. It is in ascending order and it is a frequency. So the first thing we should do is we have to find cumulative frequency in case of median. So let's do this. Here it will be 4. Here it will be 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 13, 22. 22 plus 20, 42. 42 plus 14, 30, 56. 56 plus 8, 64, and 64 plus 4 is 68. So I found a cumulative frequency. Now if you see, the number of observation is 68 because the maximum value of cumulative frequency is the number of observation. So n comes out to be 68, and n here in this case is even number. Correct? So in this case my cumulative frequency will be, the median class will be the place where n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 value lies. N by 2 is how much? 68 by 2, that is 34, and 34, n by 2 plus 1 is 35. So 34th and 35th, if you see, both line in this value, this class. Correct? Because this has range from 23 to 42. So this is my median class. The first problem is solved. We have the median class. Correct? Because this is the median class. Why? Because the median class should have the value 34th and 35th term should be in the median class, and we found that this is a median class because 34th and 35th term is in this class. Now the formula is, we know, very simple. The formula is median is nothing but L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. What is the value of L? L is the lower limit of the median class, that is 125. This is the value of L. So let me put the values here. L is equal to 125. What is the value of n by 2? Sorry, n. N is 68, we know. This is the value of n. N is 68. Correct. What is CF? CF is nothing but cumulative frequency of the class preceding median class. This is the median class. So cumulative frequency of this class is called CF. So CF turns out to be 22. I have CF. What is F? F is nothing but the frequency of the median class. So this is the frequency of the median class. Please note, I am not taking the cumulative frequency of the median class. I am taking the frequency of the median class. What is the value of H? H is nothing but class interval. So you see the class interval is 20 here. So H is 20. Please understand, the main thing is understanding these values. L came out to be 125 because L is nothing but lower limit of median class, 125. N is 68, the number of items. CF is the cumulative frequency of class preceding median class, 22. Frequency is the frequency of the median class, and H is the class interval. So let me put the values here. This becomes 125 plus 68n by 2 minus CF is 22 by F is 20 into H, that is 20. Cancel. So this becomes 125 plus, this becomes 34. 34 minus 22 is 12. And this is 12. This comes out to be 137. So the monthly consumption of electricity is 137 units. And this is the median. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.